Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Open-Source GIS. I'm Karnika Bhattacharya. In today's video session, we are going to create and save our very first QGIS project. First step is to click New Empty Project. QGIS will open a blank project with an empty map canvas. If you are already working in QGIS and want to create another project, simply go to Project and click New. Also, you can click New Project button and you can create another new project. But before creating another new project, always save your current project. Before saving your project, it's a good practice to organize your project files properly. Open File Explorer and create a new folder for your project. Here I have already created a folder called QGIS Projects. Inside this main folder, let's create a few subfolders to keep everything organized. Here I have already created subfolders called source data, data documentations, layouts, maps, and outputs. Source data folder should contain the original data sets obtained from external sources. Keeping the raw data separate ensures that the original files remain unchanged and can always be referenced if needed. This data folder is where we will store all our GIS datasets such as shape files, geo packages, raster images, CSV files, and other spatial data. This is the maps folder. We will use this folder later to save exported maps, PDFs, and image outputs. This folder can be used to store layout templates and map composition files. This outputs folder is where we will save analysis results, processed layers, and any datasets generated during our work. And this documentation folder should store project notes, metadata, reports, data source information, methodology documents, and any supporting materials that help explain the project and its datasets. So your project folder structure should look something like this. Your files stay organized by keeping everything in one project folder, and QGIS can easily find your data whenever you reopen the project. Now, let's save the project. Go to Project, Save, or press Ctrl S on your keyboard. Navigate to the folder. This is my main folder, QGIS Projects. Inside this, let's give an appropriate name, QGIS _ basics projects. And this is the standard format for QGIS projects. Click Save. After saving, you will notice that the project name now appears in the title bar of the QGIS window. So this is an important concept for every QGIS user, that when you are saving your QGIS project, it stores information such as layer references, symbology and styling, labels, project settings, layouts, map configurations. The actual data remains in its original location on your computer. This is why keeping your data inside the project's data folder is a good practice. And if you move files to another location after creating the project, QGIS may not be able to find them. In the next video, we will continue building our QGIS skills by learning more about coordinates reference system and map projections. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I would do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.